All right, welcome once again to another episode of mathematics class. Now, we want to solve this question from grade 8, that is GSS2 in Nigeria. And we have to solve this inequality. Say, solve the inequality. 3 into 1 plus 2x less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. And sometimes you may be asked to represent the solution on a number line. But let's find the value. Now, let me tell you, for those of you in GSS2, inequality and equation, we follow the same approach to solving it, okay? So the only difference between inequality and equation is just that symbol. And the inequality has to, the value you get for x is not exact. It falls within range of what values. That's just the difference. Now, yeah, the first thing you do is to open the bracket, okay? Opening the bracket, we are going to distribute this 3 to everything in the bracket. So here, you have 3. 3 multiply 1 is 3. 3 multiply 2x gives us plus 6x, okay? Now, less than or equal to 2 multiplies x gives us 2x. The 2 multiply this gives us minus 6. The next thing you do now is to collect the like terms. Like terms simply means the terms having the same variable goes to the other side, while the constant moves to the right-hand side. So let us isolate x from the whole inequality. So we have here, move this to this side. 6x remains here. That's 6x. Now this one is positive. As it crosses, it turns to negative 2x, okay? Then minus 6 remains there. Have less than minus 6. Here, 3 is positive. As it crosses the inequality sign, it becomes negative 3. Here, this minus this gives us what? 4x. Then less than or equal to minus 6 minus 9, or minus 6 minus 3 is what? Minus 9. So for us to get x, we will divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. Okay? This will give us this. Then we are going to have here 4 can only go twice. That is 2 whole number 1 over 4. So because of this negative here, we have negative sign. So x is less than or equal to negative 2 whole number 1 over 4. So should the case you are asked to represent this on a number line, it's very easy. Since it is less than or equal to, so the arrow will still go towards the left. And now, this is how it will be. Indicate it. Just indicate it. This is your 0. Then just indicate it if you wish. Just indicate, just this is negative, let's say negative 1. Then you can just indicate negative 2. But here we are having a fraction, okay? Because of that, we can just start from negative what? 2 number 1 over 4. So just for illustration, okay? So this side is 1. Now, we are told that the value of x is less than or equal to. So it means this is where the arrow will start from, moving towards the left. To move towards the left, and the head of the arrow here is going to be painted because it means this particular values is included. It's included into the range. So we don't know exact value, so it could be to infinity. The value of x could be tends to negative infinity, okay? Because the number is endless. But this particular value here has to be included. That is what it means. So the head of the arrow here must be painted. That is the bottom of the arrow. So this is how you represent it on the number line. So I hope you find this solution very interesting. So if that is true, help us to share the post. Like, the only way you can encourage me on this blue app is to help me to share the post so I can get to greater number of students who need this. Bye.